Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, what were the levels marked for today's intraday trading, right? So these are the levels: days high, previous day high, and previous day low, and then this important swing here is also marked. And also, if you see that, if I use the fib retracement tool and then mark this level, you can see how perfectly this zone is aligned, right? This zone that I have marked is aligned between the 50% and 61.8% of the fib retracement levels, right? So having said that, opening was the very key for today's trading, guys. So you can see that if the opening is a gap up somewhere in the middle of this candle, then it probably might have made a doji kind of a setup for today, doji kind of a candle for today. Instead, Bank Nifty opened a little bit of negative, opened just below the closing of the yesterday and then shows some negativeness in the beginning itself, based on which my view was towards the downside. Okay, having said that, if I switch back to 1 minute, why I'm switching to 1 minute? Because you can see the size of the candles are very big and the candles are moving like hundreds of points in just 1 5 minutes candle, right? When this kind of a situation is there, you might need to switch to lower time frame. That's one key takeaway. And also that today I have initiated my trade right here, so I have my resistance right over here. You can see this is my resistance point that we have marked on the chart. You can see here I have entered here because I don't want to miss the move if it is directly going to move from here. Okay, then I'm ready to average. That is the logic. Let's say if it is going above, I can average also. So I bought somewhere here the initial quantity and then averaged here also. Then I have exited right at the bottom of this move, right? This was a trade. So somewhere here, so the average price is coming somewhere here, and then I have exited somewhere here. Okay, so captured more than 120 points in one account and then 70 points in the other account, right? So that was a trade, only trade in that I have done for today. Okay, so you can see that after that market further shown bearishness. Okay, so having said that, let me take you to Dhan and Zerodha. So we made a profit of about 25,000 for the day in Zerodha, and we captured about more than 120 points in this trade, and also we made a profit of around 42,000 in Dhan, and then captured around 70 points in this trade as well with 600 quantity, right? So having said that, we made an overall profit of about 67,000 for the day. And without any further ado, so let's dive into our live trading session and see how we manage the trades there. Thank you. See you there. Hello everyone. I have bought 210 quantity of 51,800 PE, and I did the same trade in Dhan as well. Both are running. So there are two things for today, guys. So market is moving very wildly, and then 40 even 50 points of an SL is nothing actually. So you can see that you are right now seeing a big loss in Dhan also. I'm actually ready for that. Okay, so there are two things that we can do actually. So one thing is that we can reduce the quantity or the position size and then increase the SL a bit, like 50 points or something, so that your winning probability of the trade increases. That's one thing. Or the second thing what we can do is we can keep the same quantity and then ready to lose more to gain more actually. Okay, today is one of the days where market is moving hundreds of points in just 1 5 minutes candle. What we can do is we can utilize this kind of a day for earning more, right? So if you are ready to lose more, right, or what we can do is we can keep the quantity less and then and then increase the SL a bit so that your winning probability again is increased. Okay, so these two trades are running, and let's see how these two trades are going. Okay, thank you. We are getting a wonderful momentum in the end, guys. So let's be ready to close the trade. So we are already getting more than 20,000 in Zerodha, and also we are getting more than 20,000 in Dhan as well, 40,000. Okay, close to 70 points we are getting already in this trade. Let's try to close the trade actually. We lost some points already. Okay, finally we closed with 41,700 in Dhan, and then 25,000 in Zerodha. So overall we made a profit of around 67,000 for the day, guys. So that's all for today, guys. So we'll meet you with another we will meet you with another exciting option trading learning session in the next trading session. Okay, so hope you have learned something as part of this session today, and then keep liking and sharing and subscribing to the channel so that I can bring in a lot of learning content like this. Thank you. Meet you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.